how to use Walmart's pharmacy delivery service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Walmart's pharmacy delivery service. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Walmart application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the services option on the bottom center of your screen and further find the pharmacy option and tap on that. Now, tap on the refill RX and choose the prescription you need. Further, select mail delivery option. For now, Walmart is reserving this service for at-risk customers in need of contact-free delivery. You will need to confirm your eligibility to proceed further. After you do that, you will have to review your order. Please recheck your address before confirming. Once your order is in Walmart, Walmart will get to work filling it in and checking the price for you. Walmart will let you know when your order is ready for payment. Further, tap on the Start Checkout button and choose an existing payment method or add a new card depending on the prescription. You may also need to sign electronically. Review your order one last time and then check out. You're now confirmed. Prescriptions typically arrive within 2 to 3 business days with Walmart pharmacy delivery. So, this is how you can use Walmart's pharmacy delivery service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock-in Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.